Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you easy app guide how to transfer CapCut project from mobile to your PC. So make sure you install the CapCut both on mobile and your PC. Let's open the CapCut apps here. So if you have a project that you want to edit from your phone to your PC or vice versa, you can tap this three dot beside your project. This is the mobile version first. Upload to space. So this one, upload to your space. Select and turn on auto upload here. You can use a Wi-Fi and you can adjust the limit. And done. Your project is already back up, and now you can open the the PC version in the CapCut and make sure you sign in with the same account with your mobile version. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click that button below. See you in the next video.